Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Tuesday, the 28th of September 2021, where in just a few minutes, I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 tumbled today to finish 1.5% lower to 7,276 points. It continues the topsy-turvy run for the market over the past fortnight. Today really was a tale of two markets, the energy sector and the rest. The energy index was up more than 4% on the back of surging oil and gas prices. Strong global demand has pushed prices to multi-year records. Today, Beach Energy jumped more than 10% after the oil and gas producer increased its production forecasts. Oil Search was up more than 7%, Whitehaven Coal rose 6.2%, and Santos and Origin Energy both increased around 5.5%. Market leader Woodside Petroleum was up more than 5%. The healthcare sector continued to struggle. It's underperformed recently, and healthcare stocks have been sold off on many major bourses. CSL led the selling today, falling nearly 4%. Sonic Healthcare was off 4% as well, while ResMed and Cochlear both dropped 3%. Technology stocks were also sold down. Xero was the worst performer in that sector, off 6.2%, while Appen and Megaport also fell hard. Real estate stocks tumbled, led lower by Charter Hall Group. That company fell 6%. The materials companies dropped. Fortescue Metals was off 5.6%, notwithstanding the price of iron ore looks to have stabilised. BHP was down 2.3%, and Rio Tinto was off 3%. But medical device group Pro Medicus was the worst performer among the blue chips, down almost 7%. The banks outperformed the broader market, with Macquarie Group up slightly, while the Big Four all fell by around 0.5%. In economic news, retail turnover fell by 1.7% during August, according to the Bureau of Statistics. It was the third successive fall and reflects the lockdowns in New South Wales, Victoria and the ACT. In fact, sales in Western Australia and South Australia rose. New South Wales sales were back to early pandemic levels, with clothing, footwear and personal accessory categories most under pressure. The Aussie dollar is trading at just a touch under 73 US cents. Wall Street ended this morning mixed, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average closing up slightly, the S&P 500 finishing slightly lower, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq off almost 1%. That's it for the afternoon market report for Tuesday, the 28th of September, 2021. Don't forget to hit follow on the podcast and find Fear and Greed on LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook. Join me tomorrow morning for the Wednesday edition of the Fear and Greed Business Headlines. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.